Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Murphys. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make the homemade version of Taco Bell tacos. Hi.
What's this then?
It looks like the ingredients for homemade Taco Bell tacos.
Is there a secret message here somewhere?
I don't know.
I think there may be.
Yeah, what's that?
Taco Bell. Taco Bell. What's on the side of Taco Bell? What's on the side of Taco Bell? What's on the other side of Taco Bell? Do you live on the side of Taco Bell?
We'll tell them what the secret message is at the end of the episode.
Oh, I want to know now.
No!
Okay. We bought tacos and they are Taco Bell taco kit with seasoning, and I hope I didn't break them just then.
I hope you didn't either, because you're in trouble.
Packaged. I hope they're packaged very well.
And what do you got over here?
I think I broke one. Anyways, what we've got here is the makings for supper. And what time is it? 8 o'clock at night. We get to eat supper tonight. You believe that? Iceberg lettuce. Absolutely no nutritional value whatsoever, but it will make a nice taco salad tomorrow.
And it's important that you gut the bottom out, because you don't want the bad stuff landing in your stomach.
Nope. And tomato, I didn't have to get the freshest tomato on the planet, because we're going to eat it right now. So that is your single tomato. Got a half a container of sour cream, because they want a lot of money for the whole container, and I don't like to eat half of it and throw it half of it away. So half a container. Thick cut 4 cheese Mexican. This is the good stuff. Okay? And I know everybody likes the little shreddy things on their tacos from Taco Bell, but this is the real deal.
So, total cost right here to make tacos at home?
Well, we did get our hamburger on special.
And where do we get our hamburger from?
$3.83. This is from Dutch's Market.
And where are they located?
On Route 507 in Greentown, Pennsylvania, exit 20.
Rumor has it they're affiliated with the Spankies in Newfoundland.
It's a good possibility.
Yep.
I'm not even sure how much these were, like maybe $3 or $4. And then this was $1. The lettuce was $2.50. The sour cream was $1.79. The cheeses were on sale today, two for $5 for shredded cheeses, so that was good. And the tomato, you only live once. Pay for the tomato.
So, total price?
Oh God, less than $20.
And how much it would have cost us if we went to Taco Bell?
About $14.
You lied. Because you know we binge eat when we go to Taco Bell.
Because you would pay for those cinnamon things you're not supposed to eat.
And on a side note, if you guys are wine drinkers, this is Glenn's drink of choice tonight. This is the San
Angelo Pinot Grigio 2021 Toscana. And it is Italian wine, I believe.
Gotcha.
Toscana.
Okay.
Right. Tipecca. Yes. In Montalcino, Italy. Imported from Old Brookville, New York.
And did you know we have guests tonight at our dinner table?
Who was that?
Here we have Miss Liberty, 17-year-old diluted calico, and one Mr. Red, the I don't give a care cat, coming in at 12 years old. They will be our guests tonight for dinner, but they're not getting any.
So I am preheating the oven because I like a hot taco shell. And we're going to drop what is our... Is it a whole pound? Almost a pound of hamburger into the frying pan for browning. Now, some people will cover it when they're browning the hamburger, but me, I like to wear it all over my shirt, so I'm not going to cover it. We have this handy-dandy implement that used to be used on Lucia's butt when she was younger. But now, I use it as no, that would be abuse. But that would really, really hurt.
You have no idea because you've never had those broken over your tail end like I have. I will absolutely not.
We'll have a little nostalgia. So this could be used for multiple purposes, but I'm going to use it to chop up the hamburger.
You know I used to eat raw hamburger when I was a kid, right?
Oh, and you're still alive?
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Huh.
I thought it would kill you.
All right, so you're chopping up the hamburger, and we're going to let that cook how long?
Until it is brown, and then we will drain some grease off of it. I have a special strainer for draining the grease off of it. And I will show you what finished product looks like when we get to the next.
Oh, what is that smell? So he's got the lettuce almost cut up, the tomatoes are cut up, he's got the cheese, he's got the sour cream, Jose Cuervo drink mix. What? Yeah, I didn't think so. There's your original taco seasoning mix. And here he is.
And what are we going to do with the original taco seasoning mix? I'm going to fill it in this mug. And
What's in the mug?
nothing.
Okay.
But, we got to add some water to this.
Okay. How much water do you add?
I think to almost fill the cup halfway.
Halfway. Okay.
And then we should mix it up like so to create our little mole. Look. Make sure all that dry stuff gets wet. You can scrape the sides as you're going. And there's not much grease in there, so I didn't even pour any grease off.
Great.
Very lean ground beef.
Great.
And with that, I can turn it up a little bit and let that simmer cook off some of the steam from the water that I just dumped in there and let it thicken up a little bit. After the meat is done, we're going to put the taco shells in the oven and get ready to eat.
You did break one, didn't you? Shame. So we're putting them in the oven. Why? Okay. So the ones that we got were the crunchy kind. Of course, you can get a mix of either hard and soft, or all hard. I don't think I didn't see all soft, but I also saw taco bowls, which was pretty neat. But that was by another company. You want me to have a bite? You're not supposed to. You must have put a spice on them. What's the expiration date on these? Well, you could have. These are pretty good. So, the nutritional information on this. Let me flip the camera around so you guys can, as I drop it on the floor. So here you go. You got no cholesterol, which is a good for me. 20 grams of fiber or carbohydrates, which is bad for Glenn. So, got some protein and dietary fiber. All right, sorry about that little coughing fit in the last segment. But there is part of the finished product, and we're just waiting on Glenn to get the taco sauce. They didn't have Taco Bell that we liked.
So we have meat, we have cheese, we have tomatoes, we have lettuce, we have taco shells in the oven, sour cream and taco sauce. I don't know, I used to have these nice stands here to make them, but we're gonna make one at a time?
One at a time.
All right.
So this is why Glenn said to put them in the oven, because they are nicely browned and you can see the seasoning. So now what we're going to do is we're going to load up a taco next and show you guys the finished product and how we did. So you take your taco, you put your meat down first. That's what us Murphys do anyways. And then once you get enough meat in there, you want to throw some lettuce. You want to throw in some tomato. This is going to make an excellent taco salad, what's left over. And you put your cheese on top.
Oops.
Brilliant.
Yeah, let's do it like this.
Okay.
Cheese on top, trying not to break.
Yeah, try not to break the taco shell. And sour cream on top for the win. And Glenn uses the same spoon. Seen it all now. All right. Now, of course, can't forget your salsa. Can't forget your salsa, guys. There you go.
Half sour cream and half
There's your salsa.
taco sauce.
All right.
This one for you or for me?
For you. So explain it.
Well, they do have the seasoned taco shells, which is different. The taco shells actually fell over inside the oven, so they're on their side. They were a little bit wider before we put them in there.
Yeah.
But we got all of our toppings. We didn't overdo it on the filling, and there's plenty of room for sour cream.
Of course, Glenn gives me the rest of his.
You got extra lettuce.
Well, I can tell you this. The taco is not even close to Taco Bell taco. So there's a number one fail right there.
Mm-hmm.
The meat, the tomato, the lettuce, sour cream. Two thumbs up. So, in the end, $20 eating dinner at home, priceless. So if you enjoyed our content, subscribe, like, comment down below. Give us something else to try. We already had a request to do Welsh cookies. So that one's coming over Christmas.
Tune in for another episode of Cooking with the Murphys.
Until next time, guys, have a good one.